Have you been friend zoned by your twin flame? Well, I would like to congratulate you guys. If you are in this situation that you have been friend zoned by your twin flame, it is good news. And how is it that so? Although we are saying that it is a romantic relationship, it is a relationship where you come together deeply and you are connected and you are meant to be partners. You're meant to be lovers. You're meant to be in union as lovers, as committed couple. And yet I am congratulating you if your twin flame has friend zoned you. That is because your twin flame is inviting you to the of and correct order of your journey and the correct order of relationship that must be formed in order to come into perfect union, into harmonious union as well. So, friendship is a very intimate relationship. What we've seen in this world is that people can probably cheat on their partners. But you know how they say bros before hoes? This is the concept that we have grown up with. We don't cheat on our friends. We cannot let go of our friendships so easily, as easily the partners are being let go. So, somewhere your twin flame is also showing you where he or she might be afraid that they might lose you. So, they'd rather be friends. So, what that means is an invitation to go deeper. First of all, is to remove your fear of failure, your fear of losing your loved ones or losing love altogether. If you have had any painful past or breakups where you felt that you lost all the love, that is where you need to go and love yourself in. Choose to do the mirror exercise and heal that upset from the root and make a new choice that I choose to come into harmonious union with my twin flame as God is showing me. He is also inviting you to go deeper into commitment, loyalty, companionship. Friendship is a beautiful relationship. Take full advantage of this. That also means you being completely honest to him and yourself. So, I repeatedly say this that it's not only important on your twin flame journey to just do the mirror exercise, it is also important to come into complete honesty, making the choices in your life the way you are making them in your inner work actually reflect those choices so you are able to build that trust with yourself, become your own best friend. So think about all the things that you'd like to do with a friend, do them all with yourself, satisfy your being as friendship, so that your friendship with your twin flame also deepens and you're ready to go further. You're ready to go to the next step. As you know, your twin flame is first your teacher, then he becomes your friend, then you are partners, and then lovers. You can't skip or escape one stage over the other. So, I would say again, it is a great sign that you're starting with friendship. But does it mean that you remain in friendship? No. It only means that this is the door that has opened up so you can completely rest, completely be assured that you are well taken care of and loved completely as a friend. Maybe he's also showing you where you have blocks from your previous friendships, wherever you've had friends but you've had very distasteful experiences as friends must have maybe lied to you, or you felt jealous, or there could be various angles to that. So look at throughout your life how your friends have treated you or how you have felt in a friendship. So heal all of those blocks, and this is where you need a support of a coach and proper teachings of union. So I would suggest book an intro session and I will guide you step by step how to go further, how to go deeper in your journey, and how to go on to the next step of partnership and lovers to become in union and harmonious union with your true twin flame. All right, my friends. And lastly, I would like to say twin flames are meant to be lovers. that place is not for anyone else. If you have any other lovers in your life, choose to let go of them. Choose to let go of any back doors, any ideas, or any choices that you've made. What if it doesn't work out with my twin flame? Maybe I'll go ahead and find a soulmate back, or these kind of doors you need to shut down and completely let go, completely surrender to twin flame journey. Trust that God has your twin flame for you and walk this path. It may look like I am just walking in the darkness. It may look like that, but the whole point is that this is what actually leads you to light. If you walk the paths that the society is showing you, it has really gone to disaster. So their disaster is certainty. Here, light is certain. And your permanent harmonious union is certain. So choose to commit to your twin flame journey. Even if your twin flame is not reflecting, is your twin flame, whatever he is showing you or she is showing you, choose to commit, choose to heal, choose to move forward, because you share the same mind. They will come around when you choose to love yourself in all dimensions, in all spaces, by committing to yourself. You cannot love yourself if you don't commit to yourself. So committing to twin flame journey is committing to yourself. If you feel like quitting, that means you're actually thinking of abandoning yourself. You need to just simply heal that. Nobody likes to abandon themselves. We want to live in total commitment with ourselves and God. So choose to heal that. Overcome your fears. Again, connect with me and I will guide you further. For those who are new to this journey and don't know how to navigate, or even those who have been here watching my channel, do choose to come for the workshop. It is really minimal cost. I have not even put like really high cost. I ask you to book for that workshop, and I may not be publishing that, I'm not sure. But also let me know what are your questions that you'd like to see, and I will answer all of them in the workshop as much as I can. And I look forward to seeing you there. Okay, let's connect, guys. It's on 5th of March, don't forget. And also like, subscribe, and share. Keep watching. Bye.